Blake here with another review. This is for this really nice light duty impact driver. So I really like the case. Pretty durable. I mean, it's not as heavy duty as some, like there's a little bit of flex to it, but it's still really nice. Keeps everything together. It's the full kit. I can't determine if there are any other battery types that, like brands, that work with this. It does seem to be unique and or proprietary. So that's what the charger and battery look like. Comes with some really heavy duty bits. The nice thing about this, so the reason I call it a light to mid duty impact is this is only, I think I just looked at it, 370 pound foot torque. So it's a lot smaller than, like, so I have a 900 foot-pound or pound-foot torque one just for comparison. So, yeah, this thing is giant, and it's great, but I don't necessarily need that much power at all times, so that's why I got this one. Really nice. The other cool thing about it, so on the top side, right where the battery goes, if you just click the power button, it changes the speed level. That's a nice touch. Battery level indicator too. Very nice. Yeah, I really like it. Like I said, it's the perfect alternative to carrying around this giant thing. So, really nice. I would recommend it.
Feels pretty strong, to be honest. Comes with a pin, that little gasket. This one is chrome. 18 to 24. Yep. Or actually, yeah, 24. Not bad.
Alright, today I'm going to be doing a video review of this brushless impact wrench, the SILVEL, I guess that's how you pronounce it. It comes with all this stuff you see right here, and I've already got the battery in, it's been charged, got the bit I need, and now, to take off the wheel. I have in no way loosened these lug nuts whatsoever, so if you're wondering if this is going to take these lug nuts off, it sure will. One, two, three, sorry about that. It's kind of shaky. And then here's number 5. So as you can see, all 5 removed, and yeah, it's good to go. I trust it.
Conversation starter. Oh, is it? We're conversing. Check